58 wins in 92 games in charge of Mamelodi Sundowns. The big one, of course, the Champions League at the end of last season. Pitso Dladla won the Nedbank Cup with Durban City just a couple of months ago. He's got good cup pedigree, started his career at Richards Bay. He's got Ashley Makanya United yesterday, so they've got a foot in the final. They would need to be beaten at home next weekend to be denied a place in the final. They're looking for 5 consecutive MTN8s. As a former Sundowns player, maybe you can explain to us why have Sundowns always performed badly in this competition?
I think with Sundowns, I think it's always the problem.
Immediately a real defensive rear guard from Arrows, as we mentioned earlier, haven't conceded in their last 7 games. It's an incredible run. The fullback scored against Chiefs for their only goal of the season in the MTN8. He has an early ball inside, looking cooked by Mokoena.
Yeah, overcooked indeed. I'm sure that with the tempo that they showed Mamelodi Sundowns midweek, they'll want to start with that. Just get an early lead to get.
Now, Khoza. First start of the season for Aubrey Modiba, obviously given a little bit of time to recover from the World Cup.
Also, like, when you look at the injury that Modau had, you just one then the overload that all those players had, your Williams, your Mokoena, your Modiba, because of the national team, the FIFA Club World Cup. So there's been an overload and opportunity to play. It feels like a new player altogether.
This is the replacement on the right-hand side. Zuko Udanyelwa, I presume he'll be competing with Morena for a place. Good catch from Edward Maova. He's kept it in play. At Mamelodi Sundowns, always good to see home-produced footballers breaking through into the first team. Modiba, that's an even lengthier delay. Maova will be stretched off. Played every minute this season so far for Arrows, very much the number 1 now to start of this campaign.
Just to make sure that keep that clean sheet going.
Right, we are going to have the change now. Now, needs a good pass. This is opportunity for Gasa. And there was enough defensive attention there just to push it away. It'll be a goal kick. Now, chance for us to just find out a little update about the goalkeeper. Let's just have a look at the slow-mo and then we'll go to Razi and find out what's happened with Maova.
I guess with Sitolo, you could just see how dangerous he is whenever he carries the ball. He's the player that we spoke about earlier, so then he'll be the person that really drives them. It's unfortunate for Gasa here with all the destruction that Modiba and Khoza had for him to make sure.
Arrows is out, it is semdlalweni. Naba bethatha ibhola nangoku iGolden Arrows bafana besi-10 ayibeka phambili lapho Dion ufikile phezu kwayo isniper besikade sithule wayibeka emnatheni 1-0 enqaku la uthetha lukhulu kwi-Golden Arrows bakora kude nekhaya bakora kude bafaka inqaku kude nekhaya. Junior Dion Bandeta uRicardo Gosa fika. Wow. Thuba lalinye. Adlala ibhola ende nenhle. Wabethwa ngamendu uJohannes wakhona banokwazi ukufika kuDion. Basebeko nje kakuhle noKhoza wajonga. Wafika uDion phezu kwebhola. Ujonge nje isihlango ethe ngaso la bhola. Uyibetho ikhupha phakathi kwemilenze kaNozindi. Yahamba phambili abafana besithende. Atogqiba uDion wathi yile badge. Wathi yile badge.
Na isisi Thapelo Morena. Konzakala kuyamphazamisa uThapelo Morena. Angozama ujikajike zabungena ngaphakathi. Fika izama uyichitha lo bhola. Kodwa Matthew Safin ehlaba ngasemva kumkhulise yafika iArrows yayicenge iArrows kunzima udlala neSundowns kuba nansi iArrows ibhola ehla wow uyabashiya ukhumbula ba Dion akasekho
amkhuphile bathe mntanami ugqibile wakho umsebenzi. Sundowns kubaleka ibhola, kubaleka abadlali kunzima. Thokozani Khumalo imshile le ibhola. Kubaleka ibhola kwi-Sundowns, kubaleka abadlali. Thapelo Morena adogqiwa itsenga le ibhola waphinda wafuna impinda kwakhona wathi mayibuyiselwe kwakuye. Sundowns basacinga ngoba zama i-engile abanomsa ngayo. Matthews Tashik basehle kaTashik efuna uThapelo Mokoena wasebenza ngasemva umvanjwa atogqiwa itshitshilili umbanjwa la bhola kubadlali neGolden Arrows abaphambi kwakhe wathi mayisuke. Tashik Matthews pasi inhle ihukile la bhola efuna uThapelo Morena kanti uneliso unozinto weGolden Arrows umbanjwa